Ah, the glorious sound of a Bechstein grand piano. This is an extraordinary instrument manufactured in 1894. We have rebuilt this piano to its former glory. Amazingly, the original soundboard has such a vibrant sound. I'll tell you all the new parts that are in the piano, but let's have some music. Here's just a slow movement from Bach's E minor toccata. All right, so the restoration was painstaking. We put a new pin block in the piano, new strings, tuning pins, damper felts, hammers, the repetitions, the whip-ins are new, the whole pedal lyre assembly is redone, the piano is regulated, and then the action weight is exactly what you want, not too heavy. Listen to the control you can get on a slow movement of Beethoven. Here's the famous Pathetique Sonata. So finely regulated. And listen to that tonal color with the una corda, the soft pedal. Isn't that wonderful? And the piano, of course, has been refinished with the same kind of satin black lacquer finish, sprayed lacquer, hand rub for a real lustrous look. Classic design. And I'm going to end with something that shows a little bit of the other side with a little bit more volume. Just the beginning of Chopin's second scherzo, the one in B flat minor. What a sustained tone. It's really remarkable to encounter an instrument that has been sheltered from the elements from centuries previously. And when you do the work restoration, you get such a rewarding sound and a gorgeous piano. I'm interested in your opinion. You can leave them here at livingpianos.com. We are your online piano store. Free delivery anywhere in the continental US, in-home tuning, beautiful, adjustable, comfortable artist bench. Anyway, I'm Robert Eston. Thanks so much for joining me. We'll see you next time here at livingpianos.com.